This twin pack of Noctua NF-A14x25r G2 PWM fans is purpose-built for push-pull setups, giving large tower coolers a meaningful bump in thermal headroom without a big noise penalty. The advanced blade geometry and very tight tip clearance translate into unusually strong static pressure for a 140mm fan, which helps it push air through dense fin stacks with ease. Noctua's Sterrox liquid crystal polymer construction keeps the frame and impeller extremely rigid, so there is very little vibration or tonal wobble, even at higher rotational speeds. The two fans are intentionally tuned to slightly different speeds, which reduces annoying resonance and results in a smoother, less intrusive sound profile under load. Included anti-vibration mounts, low noise adapters, extension cables, and a splitter make it straightforward to install the pair on a single header and fine-tune acoustics in almost any case layout. Long life bearings, robust electrical protection, and third-party safety certifications underline that this set is designed as a long-term, fit-and-forget cooling upgrade for serious builds.